Hi. Yeah. Good morning. This is your math tutor, Cecilsie. We are going to do simple trigonometry question today. This is the question. 2 cosecant square 3x is equals to 3. Yeah. Then you are asked to find the angle, and the range of values of x is given below here. X is between -2 to +2. So that's the question. And since we've been doing this for quite some time, I think you're not going to have problem with this. Yeah. Nevertheless, let's try to do this together. First step is to make cosecant square 3x as a subject. Then we just divide by 2 for both sides. So cosecant square 3x is equals to 3/2. How about cosecant 3x? It will be root 3/2. But don't forget, it's a square. So when you find cosecant 3x, it will be plus and minus. Yeah. Okay. That means sine 3x, and sine 3x is 1 over cosecant 3x. What do we do? Very simple. We just flip it. Plus minus square root of 2/3. Yeah. Okay, later we can find, or we don't even have to find here. We can just plug it into calculator later. But for now, we need to do the range of values of x. Range of value of 3x, because we were asked to find the x with because the angle is 3x. Yeah. Since x is between -2 to 2, which means 3x is from -6 to 6. We just multiply them by 3. And we use substitution. Let theta equals to 3x. This is to make it easier for me to explain to my students. Yeah, the angle we standardize as theta. It doesn't have to be theta. You can use any other variable number. You can even do directly as 3x. Doesn't matter. But let's say we use this substitution. Yeah, theta is equals to 3x, which means the range of values of theta is also from -6 to 6. Now, the next one. We must find the value of alpha, which is called the basic angle. What does it mean? It means it's the angle in quadrant 1 between 0 and 90 degrees. And we must use a positive number when you do that. So remember, we have sine 3x equals to plus minus root 2/3. We just pick the positive value because it's alpha. It's not the angle itself, but it's alpha. And if you press calculator, let's check again. Yeah. Inverse sinus root of 2/3. Yes, you get 0.995. Yeah, that's the value of alpha. Do we need to check what is the which quadrant is this? No, we don't have to check, because it's plus and minus, which means you will have it in all the 4 quadrants. So we just do the quadrant one by one. Yeah. Okay, let's start with quadrant 1. Quadrant 1 is theta is equals to alpha. So we just put it there. Theta is equals to 3x, which is equals to 0.955. And don't forget that Okay, don't forget that theta is between -6 to 6. Yeah, so we should check whether it's, if we add positive 2 pi or negative 2 pi, you can still get the answer. Let's say we add 2 pi, 0.955 plus 2 times pi, 0.955 plus 2 times pi, you're going to get 7.24, which is wrong. Yeah, so don't put it up. How about if we minus away by 2 pi? Yeah, 0.955 minus 2 times pi. 0.955 minus 2. You get negative 5.33. Yeah, negative 5.33. Is that within the range? Yes, it's in the range between -6 to 6. Okay, so we have two answers for quadrant 1. Yeah, and don't forget that is only 3x. How about the x itself? We must find x. So we just 0.955 divided by 3. You're going to get 0.318. How about the other one? Negative 5.33. If you divide by 3, you're going to get negative 1.78. That's it. We get two values for x in quadrant 1. How about quadrant 2? Quadrant 2 is also, we do a similar process. Yeah. The angle for quadrant 2 is pi minus alpha. So we just put there pi minus 0.955. And which means theta is equals to 3x, which is equals to 0.955, pi minus 0.955. You're getting positive 2.19. And don't forget that we must check all the range here. Shall we add 2 pi? No, because 2 pi is 6.28. It will be too much. We should minus away 2 pi instead. How much you get? 2.19 minus 2 times pi, you get negative 4.09. Yes, and that's within the range here. Yeah. Then don't forget to calculate x also, because this is 3x. So 2.19 you divide by 3, you're getting 0.73. How about negative 4.09? If you divide by 3, you're going to get negative 1.36. Both of them are between negative 2 to 2, so is also in the correct range. Okay, we continue with quadrant 3. The formula is pi plus alpha. So we calculate pi plus 0.955. Theta, which is equals to 3x. We just use calculator. Pi plus 0.955, you're getting 4.10 radian. Yeah. And don't forget to check with our range. Shall we add 360? No, don't do. It will be 10 something. Too many. Shall we minus away? Sorry, it's not 360 but 2 pi. Yeah. So what we do, instead we minus away 2 pi. How much do you get? 4.10 minus 2 times pi. So you're going to get negative 2.18 radian. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we have two values of theta, which is 3x, 4.10, and negative 2.18. Is that the answer? No. We must find x. Yeah, 4.10 divided by 3, you're going to get 1.37. How about the other one? Negative 2.18 divided by 3, you're getting negative 0.727 radian. Yeah, we have two values of x in quadrant 3. And last one, quadrant 4. Yeah. Theta is equals to 2 pi minus alpha. 2 pi minus alpha. So we apply it here, 2 pi minus 0.955. Theta, which is equals to 3x, will be equals to, we just press calculator, 2 times pi minus 0.955, you're getting 5.33 radian. Yeah, and we try to see whether there is other possible values. Shall we add 2 pi? No, because 2 pi is 6.28, is too much. Yeah. Shall we minus 2 pi? Yes. So 5.33 minus 6, you're getting negative 0.67. So we have these two answers. Yeah. For 3x is not the answer yet. To answer for 3x only. Then we still must find the values of x here. We just divide by 3. 5.33 divided by 3 is 1.78. Positive 1.78. And negative 0.67. If you divide by 3, you're getting 0.22, negative 0.22. Also between negative 2 to 2, so it's within the range. Yeah. Then what do? We must present our answer. Yeah. All the x value we must show them. Yeah. Then that would be our answer. Yeah. So you have 8 possible answer, and you must show all of the 8 here. Yeah. 2 from each quadrant. And if you check, all these values are between negative 2 to 2, which is what the question asks. So just present this answer if they ask you this type of question. Yeah. So that's our video today. Please like and subscribe if you find it useful. And tomorrow I'm going to make one more video about trigonometry, also similar to this. Then the next day we are going to do something else. Yeah. Okay. See you tomorrow.